show you each individual position?
Or I mean, like, I'm just so down from fucking my
Oh,
other
I see what you're
positions
saying. You're
that
not
they're
feeling the
just
gains
exactly
because you're still hurting. Like,
just putting band-aids,
yeah, band-aids on bullet wounds.
basically.
I started stream, by the way, guys. I'm gonna post it on Facebook. Yeah, it's definitely a lot more boring than what we were doing back in like June, July, but money's money. It's consistent, that's the thing. As long as you do the same
Yeah.
thing every week, it's consistent.
Oh, for sure.
And I do the same
Damn.
thing every week. I look for the same credits. I look for the same expirations. I look for the same expected moves. I'm going to talk
Like
about all
Hiko.
that on Saturday. Yeah, like Hiko, exactly. Robotic.
Shoot the arrow,
Yeah.
Qqq, rotate,
Run back to the
get
connector.
get the orb in the beginning. Like clockwork, dude.
Yeah, with the small account challenge that I'm doing, I'm trying to prove that even though it's consistent, like it's credit spreads, people think like your risk to reward's awful. How do you make money doing that? I'm trying to prove that like even with a small amount of money, you can consistently grow that account, even though the risk to reward is bad. See how it goes. Yeah, Pluto. I had. Did I finish that? I think I have a few episodes left on the second season, or whatever the most recent season is. I feel like I finished it. Can't fucking remember. I'm finishing The Man in the High Castle right now. I've got 3 episodes left. That show is really good. Second season is very boring, but once you get through it, third and fourth season are pretty good. The second season isn't bad. It's just very boring. It's all story. It's all talking. Looking at SPY, it just cannot break that 618. It has to get above 340, or it's just going to keep ranging. It's ranging in between the 382 and the 618. When are earnings on Facebook, Bob? Are they this week or next week? I know they're coming
It's
up.
this week.
Is it this week? Yeah. Like I was telling people in the morning stream, it's like earnings season all over again. Everything that reported earnings back then are reporting again. Is that how much they're buying that company for? 35 billion? I wonder what they're going to do with their ticker. I think they're going to, because they're completely absorbing them, I'm pretty sure. Microsoft has been climbing all day. Did they have earnings today?
They're going to have earnings
Oh, it's
this
after
week.
hours.
Is it today? It's today or tomorrow?
According to TradingView, it's today, but who fucking knows? Everything's dying. If SPY loses this range, which it currently is, it's gonna sell off on power hour here. Got a couple of little deviations. So you could still be doing that. You just lost the anchored VWAP. Not looking too good. You should have bounced already if it wanted to. Got about 2.5 minutes left on this candle. Hughes actually just got a bullish block trade. A big one too. Over 250,000 shares. 282.20. So actually well over price.
Damn, dude, this Facebook butterfly.
Would you take one?
Yeah, I took it last week with C's.
How's it doing?
It's all right. Nothing crazy. It's just it was up decently at one point. Looking at the price history.
Is it inside your zone yet?
No, it needs to go to 285.
Yeah, if it gets inside your zone, you start making a lot of money.
It's at 282, but the problem is earnings coming up.
Yep.
It's coming up on the 29th, so tomorrow it needs to fucking do something big.
Cal, I've never used E-Trade. I'm not sure about Thinkorswim, if they have anchored VWAP or not. It's becoming more and more common, so if they don't have it, they'll probably add it pretty soon. Spider was like the first platform to really adapt to anchored VWAP. Yeah, he's starting to nuke here. Good thing we hedged. How's VIX doing? Yeah, VIX just broke that little downward channel. You're back above VWAP on VIX. And be careful here. You're still inside that 4-hour micro pullback. You have not broken that doji. So no direction just yet. Once you break that doji high, start to look a little scary. We broke it earlier, but we didn't close above it. Hey, Kilgore, what's going on, man? Been a while. If you're wondering why my chart's different on stream, guys, I'm just playing with a very clean chart today. I'm not really um, taking too many trades or anything, so I'm just looking at price action. I've got all my real charts over here. You can see how much different they are. We're back inside the 12-hour cloud on ES, which is not good. Take a look at the daily. Yeah, we're retesting the daily cloud on SPY as well. You still could get the 618 level on SPY, the 33287. That would be pretty brutal for my premium. I am selling a little higher. See if SPY can break this little micro downtrend. VWAP is at what, 339? 339.10. We'd like to close above VWAP, but we'll see. VIX just got an unusual call sweep. November 27th. $20 calls. 105,000 premium. Typically, high volume comes in when capitulation bottoms come in, so this could be a capitulation if you do break this downtrend. You saw it here.
Looking at SPY?
Yeah, like 5 minutes. There's a little micro price action. You saw it right here around 11:30. High volume came in, bounced. You saw it right here, 10:20. High volume came in, then it bounced. Same thing on the what is that? The close of yesterday. Same thing on the low of yesterday. See the volume come in. Basically, the seller's grabbing that liquidity. And then the buyers are bouncing it because the books are clean. Easier to see if you're looking at like a footprint chart, like on Ninja Trader or Sierra. Not looking too good just yet, though. You're not able to get back above this trend. VWAP is starting to trend downward. You could get 337 by the end of the day. Yeah, there it goes. So watch this low back on, what is that? The close of yesterday. That's the low it's going to try to sweep. Which would lead you right to where I said, 337. That's if it doesn't break this downtrend. VIX is already breaking its downward channel. You're failing VWAP though. VIX would have to kind of put in a new high and then consolidate above VWAP. If you guys watched the morning stream, I told you guys to keep an eye on NEO. We saw a massive block trade come in on Tesla. We saw a massive block trade come in on NEO, another one on Tesla. So it was pretty obvious that the EV companies were getting a lot of volume. And if you guys took that trade on open, it was basically an instant win. You shot up about 6.5%, and now you're up even more. You're up about 8%, 7.5%. Funny thing is, Tesla didn't really move much. He tried to shoot up in the open, and that was basically the high of the day. Still on big watch for tomorrow, though. There might be a big announcement coming out. Those block trades are very uncommon.
Wait, on what?
Tesla. Tesla got over $100 million in shares traded in 2 block trades. Each of them over 100 million.
Long Tesla.
That was pre-market too. The market wasn't even open. They were trading those
those
shares.
Look too bad. It doesn't look great, the chart, but
Buy is trying really hard to break this little micro downtrend. Just no buyers. What does the 1 minute look like? NEO is cooking their books. 2022 puts for NEO. Why do you say that? Because they're Chinese?
someone hates China.
I mean, Chinese companies are notorious for fraud.
You're not wrong.
China number one.
China number one.
People clearly haven't learned their lesson with Luckin. Yeah, but I don't know, that's a different story. Like, if you look at NEO and look at their interest they have in China, they definitely have a lot of interest. Luckin Coffee was kind of a bullshit company.
Is PLTR doing things? I ended up buying a few hundred shares.
They had big
last
block
week,
trades
yeah.
in the morning as well.
Oh shit, let's go. That's cool. Glad I bought some shares.
Ryan,
Thanks,
have there
kid.
been any articles that came out that say that NEO are cooking their books or they're committing any kind of fraud? I haven't seen anything.
Yeah, you can't just be saying that, man.
I think just making the comparison to Luckin Coffee is not really fair. IPOB, I'll take a look. The hell is this?
Dude, please, Facebook, 285.
Doing that butterfly?
Yeah. Did you close yours?
No. It didn't really lose much yesterday.
Yeah, I know. That's the amazing thing. It didn't do like it's actually up right now. Up 20 bucks. Up. No, back to neutral.
So IPOB
Yeah.
has 2 pivots on it, Tally. You have a pivot. You're not in voice chat. I don't know if you're in stream, but it has 2 pivots around like $16. Besides that, there's not much support.
The good thing about butterflies is you're paying a cheap amount for a big width from your top to your bottom. So if it goes down and you're outside all 3 of them, all 3 will go down, even the ones you bought and the ones you sold. So it is just you don't really lose a whole lot
Oh, I see.
when there's still premium left on it.
Oh, here we go. SPY's finally breaking that trend. This is what I was talking about with that volume increase. You can see the volume increase. SPY likes to do this. You have volume increases on the apex points. You had one right here as well. So now that this trend is broken, you should not be sweeping this low here. So this trade would be invalidated. We have to get above VWAP though.
That's a lot of volume coming in on SPY.
Looks good.
Looking at the 5-minute.
Hughes is holding VWAP, so it's a lot different than SPY.
Oh my god, Neo.
Yeah, 8%. Yeah, that was a great trade in the morning.
Good
Did you guys
thing I
take it?
rolled it.
I didn't. I'm not trying to
I
take any naked calls or anything right now.
I had my diagonal and I rolled the strikes up because I figured it would move and I didn't want to lose as much and still be in it. So I rolled a 29 to a 30.
Yeah, it's like maintaining above VWAP very easily.
Huh, maybe Tesla's gonna follow. So they kind of move in correlation. I know Neo follows Tesla, but you said there was a crazy bullish.
Yeah, I
Before
think
market,
Tesla, those block
pre-market
trades
trade.
are pretty crazy. There might be some news coming out. Kind of like the Walmart deal where we saw those block trades come in, then the news came out the next day.
Maybe like Elon's Uber service is gonna launch or something.
Yeah.
You know, especially with Prop 22 failing.
Autopilot, fucking Tesla's picking you up.
It failed.
Yeah, I think it did pass.
So we always got that backwards. Which one does Uber want? Uber wants it to fail, right?
Hold on, let me reread this. I don't want to give
We got it
false
backwards.
information.
It's misleading the way it sounds.
Yeah, 22 is the one that would make the app-based drivers contractors.
Oh, they'd be independent. Okay.
So Uber wants that to pass.
Yeah.
Yes. They don't want them to be employees. And did it pass or did it fail?
I think it failed.
Because that's bad. That's bad for Uber.
Actually, I don't know. That's what someone told me when I was at a party on Saturday. But I don't know. Hold on.
Getting your fundamental news from parties. I like it.
Yeah, while you're drinking and people are telling you shit, that's not a good. Can you imagine Johnny at a party? Holy shit. God.
He hits people up with the sauna in the fucking gyms.
Dude, I guarantee the saunas are empty now. He always shows up the next day. You like that shit? Like that? I've been telling you, Facebook, Spotify earnings coming up.
You cracking me up, dude.
They're just like, I'm out, man. I'm not going to the sauna at 2 p.m. anymore. This fucking weirdo just keeps talking to me.
I mean, look at Spotify. Was he wrong?
He wasn't wrong, but it's like That's the problem. That's the problem, man. If he just found a more passive communication approach, you know what I mean? It would, but it's great content, but there's just so many articles, so many screenshots. His picture has, like, his phone has to be fucking just
Oh,
filled
yeah,
with
his
like
camera roll.
100,000 photos. Yeah, dude.
His camera
And you
roll.
know he saves them because like he's always getting like attacking us. Yo, I sent that last week. Here's proof.
ELTR, dude's on fire. Another one I called out this morning, dude. Fuck. These block trades are paying. This is for you guys in the morning stream.
You like that?
Yeah,
like
holy
that?
shit, man. My call that I bought for 2021 is kind of down, but my shares are up.
Block trades on PLTR, it's up 10%. Block trades on NEO, it's up 8.5%. Only
Feels
one that
good,
didn't
man.
move on the block trades was Tesla. VIX failed VWAP. NEO, solid breakout. Last 5-minute candle is almost the highest volume of the day, besides the opening.
Oh yeah, yeah, you're right.
And that's on the high of the day. That's very impressive. That's why it's continuing here.
It's right at the daily pivot.
Oh, it's back at that pivot.
Yeah, it's back at the
Oh, yeah.
daily pivot. If it's gonna close here, I may just close out my sell side.
Dude, this thing
Right?
looks like it
If it
wants to
closes,
fucking run, yeah.
if it
4-hour pivot.
closes above the daily pivot, that's pretty bullish, right?
Oh, yeah, look at the buy signal on the 4-hour. It gave you a buy signal literally at the bottom. Gave you a buy signal at 26.
You guys like that shit?
You like that shit?
I don't like it because I'm not in it.
I do.
I was hoping it was going to come back a little bit more, but it did not. You guys are going to like that podcast when it comes out in a couple weeks, and I predicted this like a week in advance.
Yeah, I know. You guys might like that other podcast where I predicted the whole month. We're winning in this team, man.
Look at the volume, it's still going.
Yeah, the volume's picking up.
2 million shares in 5 minutes. It's almost at 1.5 already.
Yeah, Deja, you were not lying about Tesla loving pivots, man.
Oh, I know, yeah. I think Tesla's gonna run. I think there's a news announcement that's gonna be coming out soon. Nobody puts up over 200 million pre-market
Exactly.
when there's nothing happening.
That actually got me happy. I was like, buying the dip.
200 million above the 1-hour pivot. That's good. Netflix and Amazon are climbing end of day here. Microsoft high day.
Facebook's climbing as well. Everything's climbing, yeah.
So what did you guys say? I didn't remember. Did you guys say Microsoft had earnings pre-market or they're having them after hours?
Don't remember. Where's the earnings channel?
Yeah, where's USLT? You're supposed to be running that channel.
Yeah, what the hell, dude?
I mean,
What do you get paid
what
for?
you guys want to know, man? I know all the earnings today. We got AMD, we got Boeing tomorrow. We got a lot of things. God.
Wait, I saw Zool posted it.
Oh, here you
Microsoft is after close on Tuesday.
go. AMD Tuesday. Yeah, AMD and Microsoft after close. FireEye too.
Damn, Boeing's tomorrow.
UPS and Boeing pre-market. Those are gonna be big.
Damn, Etsy. Etsy's gonna be big.
Oh yeah, tomorrow after hours. Look at that. Visa, eBay, ServiceNow, Etsy, Pinterest, Fastly. These are all big companies.
Fucking Fastly, bro.
Jesus, there's Thursday's the day. Thursday after hours.
Thursday. Yep.
Apple, Amazon, Facebook, Starbucks, Activision. Jesus.
Watch Neo. Watch Neo.
Don't you love this here? The week before. It's like, can we get a break before the election? No, you can't. Fucking massive earnings the week before.
Dude, Facebook, please just sit at 285, homie, please.
What's it at now?
283. It's climbing.
This is good for your butterfly though, because do you have Friday's expiration?
Yeah.
So this is good because it kind of burned off the time early. So now if it pumps the end of the week, it'll be right where you want it to be.
Yeah.
I'm hoping
Yeah,
so.
I do that a lot.
You burn off the time, pumps into the trap, and then it stays in the trap. Right
Yeah, because you don't want it pumped and then
Is
have
you-
a lot of time, right?
Yeah,
'Cause
you
then
don't. That's what happened to my SPY one. I mean, it's still good. We made like 150% on mine, but the day I literally set the butterfly trap, it hit my fucking target the next day, or no, it was the same day, and I took Friday's expiration. Kif took the same day expiration. I was only up like 30 to 40%. What'd you make, Kif? Kif, that thing ran like 400 to 500%. So if it does, that's the difference between the time decay. I hit my target early, I was only up 30%. If you hit your target on time, 500+%.
You need that sell side to burn off, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Disgusting.
Facebook, please. Let's go. Where's that earnings channel? I just lost it. Deja, you have way too many channels in here.
I know, dude. I gotta clean it up.
I can't fucking find the earnings channel, dude.
I'm thinking about doing a Discord redesign before the website launches.
I'm being serious. I need help. Where'd the earnings
It's
channel?
right above us.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. You can just type in the name of the channel too and go to it. Like upcoming earnings, it will bring it up.
Oh, thank you, sir. I was panicking. I went too far. I was looking at the Oasis.
Yeah, that's the non-options section.
Whew, I was panicking for a sec.
Yeah, I think a lot of the channels that we haven't used in a while are going to get archived.
Etsy should beat earnings by a lot.
But what does that really mean right now? You know,
Yeah,
because
exactly.
companies are beating earnings. Yet it's you gotta play both sides, I guess. Sure, Six Flags, dude. How are their earnings gonna be great? Fucking close.
Don't you worry though. You might as well buy calls, dude.
Yeah, you know what? Yeah.
Bad earnings, they're gonna go up like 10% for no fucking reason.
Almost got banned because of the cruise line.
Yeah.
What cruise is that we played?
Carnival.
Carnival? Oh my god.
Look at XLNX, the one that AMD's buying. It's flying right now.
Oh yeah, they were up a lot too in the morning.
Yeah, it's going up a lot.
Semiconductor company.
Putting in like a snake.
All right, maybe I'll take leap calls. Oh, too expensive.
SPY is failing to get above VWAP so far. What do we have? 25 minutes left. If SPY can close above VWAP.
I mean, I'm still up like 10 or 15 bucks on that Facebook. What about you, Castro? What did you take it at?
Hold on, let me check. I got filled at 40 cents.
Which one did you take?
I took the same ones you took. 285, 295, 290. I am down $15. It's there's no point of looking at this thing. It just swings
until tomorrow or the day after.
I'll be like now I'm even. And then in a second I'm gonna be up $5, maybe 15, and then I'm gonna be down 15. Oh, I'm up 10. Let's go. Oh no, Netflix. I'm gonna credit spread.
Oh my
Zoom,
god,
zoom,
dude.
zoom. Zoom, zoom, zoom.
Astro, I'm starting to see Pokemon fucking hard flipping discords, paid groups.
No way.
Yeah.
That shit's really happening? I thought it was just a meme.
I
Hey,
don't
man.
think so.
I remember when I first mentioned it, I was talking about Yu-Gi-Oh cards. Next thing you know, next week, Pokemon cards start selling like crazy. When I was mentioning it, how like they're gonna have value in like a couple years because the games are so old and they stopped making them.
Dude, those boxes, the unopened.
The original booster packs, yeah, dude. They're
Dude,
fucking
Hey,
worth
like
it.
the boxes, the ones that come with a bunch of the packs, they're
Oh,
selling for
yeah.
like $500,000 almost.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're
Also,
like
so
they're like
like
300,000 to
so like
400,000.
since Pokemon cards started going, I was like, all right, let me just start ahead of time since Yu-Gi-Oh cards are gonna start going too. But like the older ones, like the ones you remember how they used to come in like tins?
Yeah, I think I
Yeah.
have some of those.
Yeah, like I was looking at them at eBay, like they're already like starting to like flip. Like you get like the 2000 ones, like the Yu-Gi-Oh ones, like the ones that actually had like the Dark Magicians. Like yo, a blue eye goes for like $500. I used to have like 10 of them.
Yeah, I looked at my cards. I don't have. They're hard to tell because there's like a little holographic thing on the bottom right, and it's either gold or like purple. If it's purple, I think that means it's like first edition. If it's gold, it means it's like common.
Yeah, usually the Yu-Gi-Oh cards they actually tell you if it's like a rare thing, it'll be like first edition, like in the little info thing.
I got a couple books of like holographic ones, but I don't know if they're worth anything. Probably like 20, 30 bucks. Not no
Yo,
fucking Charizard. What are the Charizards, like 10,000 or some shit?
It's got to be a first base edition for it to be worth a lot.
yeah, but the
They're still
first
worth a
base
few $100.
edition is freaking 2000s. If you have the 2000 Pokemon cards, you should be straight. Doesn't matter. Like they're gonna, even the original ones are like the original like no holographic ones. They're still selling for, like depending on what card it is. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Man, that's fucking dumb. I had a first edition one and I gave it to my cousin, and he's a fucking
Bro,
idiot.
I had 2 bags of Yu-Gi-Oh cards and Pokemon cards, like 2 like garbage bags. I just gotta go in my attic. If I find that, oh my god.
Quit trading, man. We're gonna become fucking Pokemon
Let's
resellers.
fucking go. Look at Zoom, man.
Zoom's
Oh
flying.
wow, yeah. Zoom's doing some things, huh? Zoom. Dude, Facebook, please. AMD's bouncing. Pretty not bad.
So I
10
got out
minute.
of Roku for a game. Let's go. Roku's fine too. Netflix is just lagging, like annoying.
Yeah, I'm in Netflix. I have 480 calls for the 20th.
Hughes has been respecting VWAP all day, past like 2 days almost. But ES is not. ES is failing VWAP.
Oh, Apple. AMD. Damn, tech is gonna make a little run here, huh?
Yeah, Amazon hit high a day.
To earnings.
Chewy high a day too. Chewy's not looking too bad.
Especially with Corona, like
Yeah, the lockdowns.
coming back. Yeah, Chewy's gonna do well. Peloton, Chewy, Zoom.
Buy finally
Man.
above VWAP. Nice little intraday pump.
I'm only down $9 for the day now. Holy shit, I was down 600. This is fantastic.
Today was perfect. Exactly what I wanted to see. And I would have preferred if it went up, but sideways is okay too. Kill as much time as you can. We only have 3 days left now. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And all of my things will start paying. I'm selling Friday's expiration on what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 things?
Yeah, look, Tesla
Let's
has
go
some volume coming
Netflix.
in.
Nvidia is climbing too.
Oh, it's just long queues.
Yo, still going.
Yeah, I'm already longing Qs. I'm longing and shorting Qs. Both my positions are making money.
Zoom is going up still. This shit's nonstop.
Yeah, Amazon's flying. Roku's up 3.5%.
Yeah, I got out for like 100 and what 10% or something like that.
Your Neo's up 9%.
I'm really thinking about closing my sell side because it's above the daily pivot now. If it closes up here, it's a pretty good sign, right?
Could be. I mean, look at the daily candle. There's like literally no resistance. There's no wick or anything. It's closing on the high of the day. A little lower volume than you would want. You probably want there to be like 40 more million come in.
I did it. I'm up $42 for the day.
Easy money.
Let's go. Oh, I'm poor again.
Oh god. Ramen.
Oh, I suck.
Could have had a Big Mac. Now you got a ramen.
Could have been a dollar menu millionaire. Actually, dollar menu doesn't even exist anymore at McDonald's.
Yeah,
Huh?
not in California. We have a dollar menu, but it's not really good.
I
Now they
haven't been to
call it
McDonald's in a while.
call it the value menu now, right?
Yeah, I
Some
think
shit like
so.
that.
Yeah. The poor menu.
46 for the day or 46 overall, kid? Oh, nice. How's your account doing, Deja?
My challenge
Small
account, we're
account?
back to break even.
Yeah.
We took a
Oh,
loss.
okay.
We took a little loss on the butterflies, and then we just made it all back with the credit spreads. Did you start the challenge account with 750 the same way I did, Kiv? $680. I gotcha. Pretty close. It's a butterfly spread, DC. I don't have any videos on YouTube about it, but there's other videos if you want to look it up. It's just called a butterfly spread. People use them differently. You can use them for sideways markets, or you can use them to like trap price. It's like an iron condor. It's very similar to an iron condor. It's when you buy a strike, sell 2 strikes in the middle, and then you buy another strike. And then the 2 buy strikes are your wings, and you can expand the wings for a bigger probability of success, which makes your price range bigger, same way you would an iron condor. Or you could tighten the wings to make your R to R really high, but it lowers your chance of winning. But if you have a price range that you think price is going to get to, you can use a butterfly. So like if you think SPY is going to get to like 342 by Friday, you could make a 342 butterfly, and then you could expand the wings by, say, $3 on each side. So you would sell the 342s, you would buy the 345s, and you would buy the 339s. It would create a butterfly. We call those price traps.
Interesting. Where you have your daily pivot on OTS is the exact same level where there's a there's the edge of the volume shelf on Neo, right where you have your daily pivot on OTS, and that's exactly right where Neo is right now. And the daily raindrop is a balloon also, which leads me to think it could get higher. The only thing that worries me is that little volume shelf because it's not over it yet. If it was over it, I would close my sell side, but it's right at it right now. Kind of a tricky spot. I think I'm gonna wait till in the morning.
Yeah, it's a little sketchy just because you're like betting on it breaking the pivot, but it could also be failing the pivot. Don't know. There's no confirmation.
Exactly. So I think I'm gonna wait till tomorrow morning and see where it's at. Either way, I rolled the strikes up. So I'll still make money even if it gaps up tomorrow.
You can always do exactly what we did last time. If it gets close to your sell, just put a butterfly in there to protect it.
Yeah, that's true.
What's your sell price?
30.
Yeah, so if it got to like 29, you could just put in a butterfly. Ten minutes till close, and this isn't pretty. Nasty little sell-off here on the end of the day. The hedge is working out nicely because all my positions are green, and my hedge is only down like $7 a contract, $10 a contract, somewhere around there. Yeah, it's looking good until these last 5-minute candles. Closed above VWAP and then faked it out instantly. I think SPY is being held up by Qs here, especially with earnings this week. NASDAQ is seeing a lot of bids. A lot of volume coming in here. Got about 7 minutes left on the close, and the volume's already coming in. Nice little 5-minute dragonfly. The 1 hour has not put in a higher high since, like, what is that, 354. Get a blow off top. Gap up, gap up, gap up. And then nuked. Is that the all-time high? I think that's the all-time. No, this one back here is. That was the retest. Gap down, filled it. Gap up, fill. Gap up, fill. This big gap here makes me lean slightly bullish. Because if you look at the last, like, what, 10 gaps on SPY, you've had no fill, 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 filled. This one got filled. Was this one filled? Let me see. Yeah, this one got filled just barely. This one was filled. So how many is that? Out of 10, almost every single one is filled. This one's filled here. This one is too. This is like the only open gap, the 329 gap. 329 below us, which would be brutal. And the 345 above us. Every other gap has been filled. Every single gap in this area is filled. So if you're bearish, that's your target. If you're bullish, that's your target. That bullish gap also lines up perfectly with the anchored VWAP from the high. Is that from the all-time high? No, it's from this one. Where's the anchored VWAP from the all-time high? Oh, we're actually bouncing right off it. Who would have guessed? Right where we're bouncing is right on that anchored VWAP from the all-time high. What about this low here? Yeah, we're a little bit below that one. What about these further lows? That one's right around that gap. All right, 3 minutes left. What earnings? What earnings do we have after hours? You got AMD.
Well, AMD's over.
Oh,
already.
AMD's over. What do we have? I think we have Microsoft. Oh, it is. It's after hours. Yeah, it's AMD and Microsoft.
They said they did it before.
Oh, they fucked it up.
Yeah, they released everything.
Okay, so
pre-market.
Microsoft. What we're watching after hours.
Damn, that's crazy, dude. Fucking, I can't even believe indoor dining is open in other places because it hasn't been open once in California.
Oh, USLT, you got the next week one? Or no, sorry, that's old. Never mind.
But that's not a good. It's not a good thing.
What happened?
Look at what John Ontario just posted.
Illinois suspends indoor dining in Chicago starting Friday.
Yeah, I mean, it's just, if that happens in one place, it's going to happen everywhere else.
Chicago is extremely liberal.
So I live in California.
Yeah, so you're fucked. Me and Virginia is decently liberal. We're not super liberal.
Not like this.
Florida, they're probably okay. Texas, they're okay.
Not like this.
Where
Yeah,
are you,
we're
Zool? Oh,
fucked
you're
up.
in. Oh, you
He's
think you're in?
NorCal.
Yeah.
Texas depends on which part of Texas you go to.
Yeah, Texas is getting more blue because of the cities. Cities are just naturally blue. Proud mentality.
Please, can I just finish green for the day? I don't care if it's by $1 or a penny.
Yeah, John, VA is try to take your guns liberal, but not remove your civil rights liberal. Yeah. They're trying to take the guns. They're never going to get away with it. Virginia is the founding state of the entire nation.
Well, PLTR just hit $11.
No, still going.
And there's the bell. Ding, ding, ding. See what ES does here after. Let me know when Microsoft starts going nuts.
John, holy shit. All right. Come on, Microsoft, you big bitch. Do something
Who's
big.
playing it? Are you playing it?
Well, I have fucking far dated calls. I have December calls.
Oh crap! I got 400 shares in my IRA account on Microsoft.
So you're
saw.
playing it.
Congratulations, you're now playing Microsoft. Welcome.
Welcome to the Thunderdome. Well, it closed right on VWAP. We'll see if VWAP can hold on earnings.
I bought them at what is it, 189 a while back.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Could be safe.
Oh, no, I'm kidding. Nothing happened. Just wanted to get the hype started early. All right, Microsoft, yeah.
Earnings is like
Bitch.
that Rocky, that what is it, Rocky 1 or 2? If he dies, he dies. That meme. That's what earnings is. If he dies, he dies.
It's trying to move. Trying.
Yeah,
Doing something.
this is literally playing earnings. That's what it is. He dies, he dies. Microsoft is going to miss earnings, miss revenue, and still go up.
Game Pass,
It's
baby.
going up. It's trying to go up. I don't know if that's
No, these are all the
Something-
these are all the
something
fanboys.
point.
Yeah, these are all the fanboys. You'll know. These are little jabs. The fight actually hasn't started yet.
gap down last earnings, right? You remember that? It went down on earnings.
Not. Oh, there it goes.
Oh, there it goes.
I don't know, man.
Oh,
Never gonna get
oh,
hyped on this. No! Oh! We're back, boys! We're back! Oh, we in there. We in
holy
there.
moly. There it goes.
We in there.
It hasn't even came out yet though.
You guys watching Neo?
No, man, I'm watching Microsoft, sir.
I'm watching I've got like 6 charts open. I'm watching Neo. It's at 2860 already. After hours.
Holy shit.
Hopefully, my morning stream participants bought that 26 to almost 29 today.
Fucking insane move. I need to wake up early, dude. I need to stop sleeping in. Missing these fucking trades.
No. Oh no. Don't come back. Don't come back. It's like watching a boxing fight.
Oh, it's Khabib versus fucking Connor.
So they beat on earnings per share and year over year.
I don't use a webcam, John, but I could go over like yesterday's plays. I normally always do. I normally always say like what we called out. AMD had 600,000 calls today. Lyft had 91,000. Pfizer 300,000.
Oh, Microsoft, yo, bitch.
They beat revenue. They beat earnings. Their cloud beat revenue. And their productivity beat revenue. And so it will go down.
Nah, it's gonna rip up. Watch.
You can't beat
Give it a little
earnings in
bit
this
time.
market.
Nah, give us some time. It hasn't been announced on Robinhood. You know, once the Robinhood hooders and stuff like that is gonna go nuts.
You have to blow out earnings to go up nowadays.
Patience, patience. Watch it be like at 2:30 in an hour.
Oh yeah, you guys green or red on the day? We closed green today. Green, green, green.
And this is one thing. If Microsoft shoots up, because you know it beats earning and everything like that, the rest of big tech is gonna follow.
Close red by fucking.
Kind of sad I closed red yesterday because it broke my streak. Now we're green again.
Come on, red boys. Don't be scared to hit that button.
Bear gang.
Yes.
But all right, guys, I'm gonna call it. Appreciate you guys being here as always. I'll be posting analysis, but it'll probably be late tonight. I'm not gonna be home for most of the day. I'll post analysis in Discord later today, and then I'll be streaming tomorrow morning, same time, 9 a.m. Eastern. Make sure you don't miss it, because if you missed today's, you would have missed out on Neo. You would have missed out on what else we talk about. Called out the trade on Tesla in the morning. Gave out some levels on ES and NASDAQ. A lot of good stuff. But Neo was an easy one. 10% trade. What's it up already? It's up, yeah, almost 10% on the day. I think it's up 10% if you count after hours. Big day. But alright, I'll be streaming tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. Eastern. Tomorrow afternoon, 3 p.m. Eastern. And I'll post some levels later today. It's probably be around like 11 o'clock though, so a little late. Alright guys, you guys have a good one. Stay safe. Peace out.